Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by eliminating the obvious culprits fast. Check volume, mute and do not disturb, then open the problematic app. Once done, remove any case or magnetic accessory and plug in wired headphones to compare output. This tells you if the speaker or software is at fault. Next, restart the phone to clear transient audio processes and test speakerphone versus headphones to determine whether the problem is hardware, app level, or system level before moving deeper. Now dig into settings to find the root. Open app permissions and make sure microphone and background audio are enabled because blocked permissions stop sound. If the issue is inside one app, clear cache or reinstall it. Test in safe mode to rule out third-party audio modifiers. Also verify Bluetooth isn't routing sound to a paired device, reset audio routing, and disable custom equalizers or accessibility audio enhancements, since these can muffle or redirect sound unexpectedly. If software steps fail, back up your data and perform a network reset first, then a factory reset only when necessary. These restore default audio configurations. Once reset, test speaker output and record with the microphone to confirm both directions work, and try an external speaker to isolate the handset speaker. If sound still fails or recordings are distorted, it's likely hardware. Contact the manufacturer or an authorized repair shop. Quick troubleshooting tip: clean speaker ports gently and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.